Sneaky Janelle found a cool spot.
Yeah, that's how we're gonna start today. We're exploring around. It's day 4 of our trip here in New Zealand.
I want to go swimming. It's cold outside, but I want to go swimming. Oh, there it is.
I'm having a hard time keeping up.
Okay, we have to go in there. It's so warm. Face is just like, what is this? Beautiful New Zealand.
The steam and the light is just like paradise. Okay, we need more lenses and we need potential swimming supplies. This day is getting off to an awesome start.
I don't know, I don't have a towel, so I'm shaking.
We got this lens here.
We're gonna go swimming.
The sun rays are just nuts. Look at this! I'm losing my mind right now. Where's a good place to leave this? Gonna leave that right there. Really good idea, nice work.
That's a happy Janelle if I ever see. That's a happy Janelle in her natural habitat.
We literally came here at like the perfect time of day for light. The sun rays are just like right coming in. The fog looks amazing. It's cold enough out that the water feels like really warm.
Oh, I don't want to leave.
This is a massive highlight of our time in New Zealand so far, and the day is just getting started. Kin Lock.
Lock in Kinlock.
Lock in Kinlock.
Yes.
A fun part about traveling with our host Daryl here is that we usually don't go too far without
Getting another coffee.
and we like coffee.